YouTube channel. Do you like? Let me introduce you. This is my new buddy. Haven't given her a name yet, but you can help me do that. You guys, I've been away for quite some time. It's because I've been, learning or doing a few things, upgrading my skills, getting new skills. So as you know, on this channel, we're all about helping women monetize their knowledge and skills using the power of social media. So I have decided to add this new skill to my channel, and I hope you guys will like it. So if you're new here, my name is Mwaka, the Wifeprenuer. Thank you so much for stopping by. So I've been learning how to be a seamstress, a tailor, whatever you want to call it. So whatever definition that you have, or putting materials together to come up with a garment. So this is one of the things that I have made so far, and the dress that I'm putting on. And if you want to clearly see this dress, please head over to my new business page of this kind. It's called Stitched by Mwaka. So I have decided to come on this channel to share with you my journey, because I think I want to start a clothing line. I'm not sure how that will go, but this will be the beginning. Whichever direction it may take, it's all fine with me. So we're gonna start that page where I'll be sharing all my sewing related content on this channel as well. I'll be sharing tiny bits of what I have achieved with the page. I'll be sharing with you my journey, how I'm planning to make money and all of that. So my niche, to begin with, the niche of this bit. Okay, I guess let's talk about that in my next video, because right now I just want to share with you a few samples of garments, or whatever you want to call it, that I've made. And basically, like I wanted to mention earlier, let me just say it just briefly. My niche for that specific business page is rich auntie vibes, or rich auntie vibes, rich wife closet, rich aunties, whatever association that is made in Namibia. This is Mwaka, the face of the brand. So stay tuned, guys, and watch what I've made so far, and let me know which one is your favorite. And if you have any questions, if you want me to share this journey on YouTube with you guys, let me know in the comment section. Okay, welcome guys. This is one of the first dresses that I've ever made, and it's an infinite dress. Oops. If you want to see how to dress or how to style this dress, please head over to my Instagram page where I share with you my sewing journey. It's Stitched by Mwaka. That is how it looks. Dress number 1. Dress number 2. I love how simple and elegant this dress is. It's called a boobo dress. It's short. Usually they are long. You'll see one that is longer, but this one I just made it short for summer. This is a good dress just to quickly run up to town, if you have something to quickly pick or buy, or even at home when you're doing your house chores. So I love it. Simple and free. Dress number 3. It has that cute little detail at the back. I just love dresses that are bigger, that are loose on my body. It's a bit long. I love it. I love my dresses long, actually. See how free that is? You can wear this whenever, wherever. When you're pregnant, when you're not. Let's see how we can style this one also. Add a belt. You guys have to forgive me. My hair is a mess. It's a hot mess. So that's why it looks like that. So I'll try to put on heels. And there we have it, ladies. How cool is that? You can wear that anywhere, anywhere. I love this dress. The color, everything. When I bought this material, I wasn't so sure of what I was going to make out of it. So this dress, I've just discovered that I can also wear it like this. It will also look cool. Classic rich wife closet. Number 3. So this set is ideal for your vacation, next to the pool, next to the water, next to the ocean, next to the river, any kind of water. It is a 3-piece. So with this, I can make for you either a set as it is. Right now, actually, I'm running a special. You can quickly go to my Instagram page. You can get all 3 items for $650 Namibian dollars. Just look how much that head covers your back. You will not burn from the sun. Dress number 3. This is also one of the first ones. Yeah, dress number 3. It comes with that headpiece. It's a braided headpiece. You can wear it that way, or you can wear it like that. It all depends on you. So guys, this is a boo-boo dress. It's longer. I love the color. You see how long it is? That's how I love my dresses. Longer for rich wife vibes or rich auntie vibes. There we go. You know, you just want to go for a bridal shower, for whatever, you know, even drinks. You kind of look expensive. All you have to do is just throw some shirts there, a long weave, whatever the case. Yeah, boo. This is actually a wrap trouser pants. That's how it looks. It's just 2 pieces joined together. There are 2 ways you can wear this. It can be worn as a jumpsuit. It can be worn as a trouser, the way I'm going to show you. Actually, there's a lot more ways you can wear it, but I'll just show you with you 2 ways you can do that. This is for a small size. This for a small size. If you are medium, you need about 3 meters. And yeah, medium to large 3 meters, and then extra large and all that, you need about 4 meters. So this was just like literally almost 2 meters. It was not a full 2 meters, so that's why it doesn't look so nice. But of course, on my next project, and the fact that it was also Ankara or Stenge, that's why it behaves like that. So this is ideal for a silk, satin material, any material that folds nice, you know. So that is how it looks. You can pair it with anything. You can wear it to work. You can wear it on your vacation as well. I think I prefer you wear it on your vacation. Then you can just also style it however you want. You just add a bit of accessory, a bit of, you know, some looks, just to give it some vibes. There we go. Again, I apologize for my hair. Let's see if we can turn this into a jumpsuit. So I'll have to lower it a bit. Like I said, the material was not a full 2 meters. It wasn't enough. So that is how you turn it into a jumpsuit. There we go. With some heels. ahead and added on a belt, just, you know, to add some life to it. You can go like this to work, you can go like this on your vacation. Outfit or dress number, I've lost count, but this is one of the kaftan dresses that I love the most. I think what I love the most about this is the color. It's yellow, but I don't think the camera was doing it justice. It's a chiffon material, so meaning it's a see-through material. So this you can wear as a beach cover, or you can wear when you go into town, or just, you know, about anyway. All you have to do is just to wear a tight and a top under. So if you're going in the evening just for drinks with friends, you can throw this on. You can put on some nice leggings, a black top, just like I did. Put on your sandals, off you go. On the beach, throw over your bikini, and then you're good to go. So I've made these ones wide, the arms to be they're wide. I like them like that. And of course, if you want it, you can give me your specification. If you don't want your arms to be that wide, you can go ahead and do what you want. So this will fit anybody from small to at least medium. Large, you'll need more material because you don't want it to be, you know, you want it to be loose on your body. That's how we want it. That's the style, that's the design, that's how the design must be. It will look nicer when this is called cowl kaftan. It's different from the first one. I don't know if you can see the effects there that shows that it's a cowl kaftan. I went ahead and added like a small material that was left. And again, we move now to another outfit. And guys, forgive me, these things look really wrinkled because I had washed them and they were just, you know, kept in the closet. Please forgive me for that. So this is supposed to be a kimono set. It comes with a palazzo trouser, like everything that I make. I don't want anything that, you know, that is on my body, so it's loose. So even the pants are loose. You can wear this anywhere as well. You can wear this as a wedding guest. You can wear this for drinks. You can wear this for brunch. You can, you know, you can wear it anyway. Literally. So I forgot to show you, it has pockets. Basically whatever I make must have pockets. Mugelo loves pockets. So that pants has pockets. So that is some little details. Last but definitely not least, this is the most recent dress that I made. It's the one that you saw, you know, at the beginning of this video. I wore this for a friend's wedding. They're both my friends. So yeah, you can also go on my Instagram page to go and see how it looked or how I wore the dress. Thank you so much guys for watching.